Can you enable Touch ID on any iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15? So let's get started. Apple has discontinued the use of Touch ID on iPhones starting with the iPhone X, which introduced Face ID as the primary biometric authentication method. Therefore, you cannot enable Touch ID on iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, and as well as 15, as they all are designed to use Face ID for facial recognition instead of Touch ID. So simply go to the settings, tap on the Face ID and passcode, then set up Face ID by following the on-screen instructions. You can enable Face ID for specific actions like unlocking your phone, making payments, and accessing secure apps. Or if you prefer non-biometric, then you can also tap on the passcode and enter or choose 6-digit, 4-digit, or custom alphanumeric code. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.